Hey y'all, Shark Scrapper. A little bit winded, I apologize. Just got done unloading one of my electrician clients. He said he had some stuff for me. Yeah, let's take a look. So we've got a few barrels of wire, and he said it's all mixed up. He was just shoving it in buckets, so I'm gonna have to go through and get all this separated. Romex, number 1, number 2, I mean, it's all in there. And some miscellaneous shred kind of stuff, some more wire, couple of generators. The generator's 280 pounds. And then there's another one over there on the Genie lift, another 280 pounds. A saw table. That jack right there, that's 82 pounds right there. That really surprised me. I wasn't expecting it to be that heavy until I picked it up. Some pipe. Big old chunk of aluminum, sort of a sliding deck kind of thing. It's no longer of any use, but it's aluminum. 51 pounds of it right there. And then let's see, a couple of bikes and a shopping cart full of, I'd like a cart full of number 1 insulated, please. Oh man, well, I'm gonna have my work cut out for me just getting all this separated, much less getting it all up into the Sharkmobile when it's time to sell it. But it's going to be a good payday once I get it all separated. Now, just to be clear, I pay him, so I have to weigh everything up and pay him, so that takes some time. And I said he's welcome to wait, but he decided he wanted to just get gone. So he and I have been doing business for a while now, so he's fine with me weighing it up when he's not here. Well, a very successful community pickup. A place called Heritage Park. 1, 2, 3. There's 4 microwaves, a toaster oven. Yeah, there's a bunch of printers and monitors and TVs. You got to deal with that. Lots of wire. Just boxes and boxes of cabling and wire. Look at all the PCs that we picked up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 PCs. Of course, there's some crapples in there that we're going to have to deal with. Oh, 17 PCs. Oh, no. That's a power. That's a UPS. And then you can see the stack of laptops there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, something like that, laptops. So not too bad there. Bunch of miscellaneous things like VCRs and DVD players and such. Yeah, unfortunately, great big old TVs that we're going to have to deal with. So, more wire down there. I'm really very pleased with this pickup. It ran from 8 to 12, and there were people coming by probably every several minutes. A car would come over and drop something off. It might only be a laptop, might only be a box of wire. Some of them were stacked to the gills with stuff. So it was a good morning. I've got the Sharkmobile all unloaded, and there was one of the people from the neighborhood that had some stuff that was too big for her to go put in her car, so I'm gonna go get that. And I don't know, I guess I'm gonna be back here to the shark cage sorting and cutting, and because I still have to weigh up all the wire from my electrician too. It's gonna be busy. Hey everybody, Shark Scrapper. Well, I've got a lot of work that I have to get onto here. I think the first step is to get rid of some shred so that I can then access the wire that I have to weigh out and stuff. So come on, let's dive in and get rid of some stuff. Like all these microwaves, gotta go. And I got some shred back there. So we're gonna get the shred as much, let's get a truckload of shred loaded up and out of the way. Ready for the storm? That made some space. Let's go get rid of that and then come back and sort some wire. Well, that was a nice load for just making some room in the shark cage where I could work. 580 pounds. The yard that is closest to me, maybe a half mile or so from me, is paying 5.25 cents a pound, so that was $30.45. But I've got some room to separate some wire. Look at these clouds. Now, this was actually recorded about a day, or I think about a day before the hurricane got here. But look at the way these clouds are moving. Yeah, that is sped up. This is 10 times faster than what was actually happening. But man, isn't that fascinating? Looking at those clouds, just awesome. This is why this particular electrician understands why we have the pricing agreement that we do. I'm picking up wire from him, or he's bringing wire to me that is a tangled up mess. And it takes me time to get everything separated so that we can make the most money we can from the scrapyard. This client used to do this himself. He used to separate the wires, strip them for the copper, but his business has grown to the point now where he has multiple crews, he has all the associated administrative overhead that goes along with a successful small business. He just doesn't have time to do this. So he knows what the value is, and he and I have negotiated what I believe is a very fair exchange for my services in the separating and allowing him to get the money with basically no effort on his part whatsoever. So that's the kind of relationship you want to have, right? Where everybody is, is getting something that's fair for what they're doing. And that means that he and I can do business for a long, long time because we're so open and transparent with each other. I don't think that you all want to sit here and watch me separate wire. So how about if I just cut to the chase here? We ended up with 47 pounds of insulated aluminum wire, 229 pounds of insulated copper wire number 1, 38 pounds of insulated copper wire number 2, and 397 pounds of Romex. Now there was also a little bit of Bear Bright, laying around in this, about 5 pounds or so. So all in all, this was a really good deal, and that's not including things like the aluminum breakage and shred and other miscellaneous stuff that came in with this load. That's just the wire. I'm going to finish getting this wire separated. You all enjoy some of this beautiful rain that these clouds brought to us, and the links that are going to take you to more Shark Scrapper content. Have a great day.